Welcome to the first video of the series. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at the key features of blockchain that make it so powerful and game-changer. First up, let's talk about decentralization. This is the concept that makes blockchain like a digital version of a group of friends sharing a diary. Instead of having one central authority, like a bank controlling the ledger, the blockchain is spread out across a network of computers, and each one has a copy. This means that no single person or organization controls the blockchain, and it's a group project where everyone can add to it, and no one person is in charge. It's like a democracy for digital transactions. Next, we have immutability, the concept that makes blockchain like a digital safe deposit box. Once something is recorded on the blockchain, it can't be altered or deleted. This makes it a secure option for storing important and sensitive information, like financial transactions, legal documents, and personal identification. Imagine having a digital copy of your birth certificate, passport, and other important documents stored on the blockchain. No one can tamper with the information or delete it, and you can access it from anywhere in the world. That's the power of immutability. Finally, we have security in blockchain, and let me tell you, it's like trying to sneak into a Hollywood premiere with a fake ID, which is nearly impossible. Blockchains like Fort Knox made of code, with advanced encryption and consensus mechanism, it's almost impossible to hack into a blockchain network. It's like having a top-notch security team on duty 24/7, ensuring that your valuable data is kept safe and sound. So rest easy knowing that your data is as secure as a top-secret government facility. In the next video, we'll be diving deeper into the different types of blockchain and how they're used in various industries. So make sure to stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on blockchain technology and how it's shaping the future.